Another way we can solve for missing numbers on an equation or other problem that uses percents is to remember our percent formula. This is a formula that you should learn today because you're going to see it the rest of your life. Why? Because the rest of your life you're going to be encountering percents. It's like cockroaches. They just don't go away. There we have it, ladies and gentlemen. Percent times whole equals part. We can shuffle that around using algebra skills and make that into this one. Percent is part divided by the whole thing. So let's say you are making chocolate chip cookie dough and you're really keyed up about these chocolate chips. So as part of the chocolate chip cookie dough, you add a lot of chocolate chips, and that lot of chocolate chips ends up being a full 35% of the chocolate chip cookie dough. Now, let's say you know that when it's all said and done, you added 5 pounds of chocolate chips. Yum. So we want to know what's the whole total weight of the cookie dough if you've got 5 pounds of chocolate chips in there and that's 35% of the weight. Well, is this the right formula to use? No! Let's shuffle it around some. Okay, so we need to know that part divided by percent equals whole. That one will be useful for us. So we've got 5 pounds of cookie dough, and that is 35%. If we divide by that, that'll give us the whole total weight. I would convert your 35% to a decimal. Remember, that's going Beyonce to the left, And so 5 divided by 0.35. We haven't really talked about this whole division decimal stuff, Mr. Starling. Cool, use the calculator. All right, y'all, I didn't have a calculator handy. I've been cranking through the long division, and it would be a little bit longer, but I'm gonna go ahead and stop. It is somewhere in the neighborhood of 14 and 0.28. We'll round it off and call it 14 and a quarter pounds. So if we were rounding to the nearest quarter pound, 14.25 pounds, that's a lot of cookie dough. Why waste time baking it? Let's just eat the stuff.